Hi class, Professor Myers here again. Hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to leave you a brief video, quick message to talk about the film analysis paper. I'm sure by now you've all been working very diligently on this assignment. It is a required assignment in order to pass this course. But I wanted to give you a brief kind of chat about the paper. So anyways, you need to find a film, any film that you enjoy, hopefully. Watch it, um, take some notes. We're moving quite quickly through the semester, so you have many sociological concepts to think about as you watch the film. Chapter 1 on theory is going to be your friend. You do have to write about the film using one of the three major sociological theories, um, uh, and then analyze different concepts that we've learned throughout the semester. So you'll also need to find outside sources to bolster your discussion, and that can be quite time consuming. So please do not wait until the last minute to do that. You need to have 6 sources, 3 of which must be scholarly. The textbook counts as one source, regardless of how many times you use it. So my suggestion to you is watch the film, take some notes, print out the assignment sheet, write your notes directly on the assignment sheet as you watch the film. Maybe watch it again, go back to your text, fill in some more notes. And then you need to go into the online databases through the college library. I have posted a job aid on that, how to use the library databases, in the assignments tab of our Blackboard. But the purpose of finding these 6 outside sources is that these are your friends. These sources are there to add validity to your argument. So I talk about Fast and the Furious a lot in my classes about this assignment, and maybe one of the topics I want to talk about is masculinity in street racing subculture. So if I go into the library database, I can type in masculinity, or really more specifically, I can type in street racing, and I know there are only a handful, maybe less than 10, academic peer-reviewed articles that discuss street racing at all. And there's a few of them that connect street racing with other subcultures such as hip hop and graffiti, and how all of those subcultures are deeply rooted in masculinity norms. And then I would use the argument of those authors to help bolster my argument that would be stating that Fast and the Furious displays hypermasculinity. And when you're citing your sources, you want to quote them directly. If you're quoting, you always want to cite your source. Plagiarism is an academic problem. Please don't plagiarize on purpose. Definitely don't plagiarize on accident. And I'm always willing to review papers and give you an alert if I feel or it reads as though you're not using your original thought, or you're not citing the author properly. So this is just a quick note to get those papers going. 5 to 7 pages will go by quickly. For double space in here. There's, I believe, 6 questions on the assignment, 1 page each, and you're golden, okay? So anyways, you can contact me. You can email me a draft of your paper. You can't email them the day before they're due. I need at least a few days to review them. So get working on those this weekend. You know, hunker down, have a Netflix and write weekend, and enjoy. I find that many students enjoy this assignment. So, and I certainly enjoy reading them. Anyways, catch you on the flip side, and see you online. Myers out.